Troy the train.
Troy the train.
Hi, Troy. It's getting pretty dark out here. Let's head home. Uh-oh. Looks like we lost power. Let's go check on Car City and find out what's going on. Oh dear, Troy. The power is out here too. Looks like that branch knocked out the electricity. We need to pull it out and reconnect the wires. Good idea, Troy. Charlie can get rid of the branch, but we need to head to the warehouse and find a new vehicle who can reconnect those cables. Let's go. All right, let's find our newest friend. Which vehicle can help reconnect the power cables? A cherry picker truck? A helicopter? A tractor? Great idea, Troy. A cherry picker is definitely tall enough to reach the top of the power pole. The container is coming down. Let's get back to the power lines and put this cherry picker together. We should unload the pieces first. Ooh, that's awesome! Hi there, cherry picker. What's your name?
Hey.
Chuck? It's great to meet you, Chuck. Welcome to Car City. Chuck, we have an important job for you. A tree branch knocked the electric lines off the pole. Can you hook them back up? All right. Thanks. First, we need Charlie's help moving that tree branch out of the way. Hey, Charlie, can you scoop up the branch for Chuck? Thanks. Okay, just reconnect those cables to the circuit breaker. All right, now raise your crane as high as you can, Chuck. Be careful not to shock yourself. There's a lot of electricity running through those wires. Great work, Chuck. The power is back on. Thank you, Chuck. We'll see you later.
Hey.
Bye, Troy. See you next time.